Unit 4, Week 1. This genre is expository text, explaining information. Alaska, a special place. Our essential question is, what makes different parts of the world different? Read to learn what makes Alaska unique. Alaska is part of the United States, but it's not connected. Here we see Alaska on the map. In between Alaska here is Canada above the rest of the United States. Alaska calls those other states the lower 48 because there's 48 of them down here, and then Alaska is up here 49, and then out in the ocean is Hawaii, state number 50. So this is a map of Alaska. I apologize, it's a little hard to see what's going on. Let's read Alaska, a special place. In what location can you find mountains, glaciers, and volcanoes? Alaska is the place to be. Alaska has many regions. Each part of the state has different features. Land features. The tallest mountain in the United States is in Alaska. It is Denali. People like to climb it. Alaska also has some big glaciers. Glaciers are made when one layer of snow falls on top of another. The snow gets thick. It turns to ice. The growth of a glacier takes years to form. When we're talking about the snow piling up in layers, we're talking about layers that are as tall as a very tall building. That's how much is piled on top of each other. And here again is the reading in case we want to read it separately. And here is the map. Temperature changes. Alaska has different temperatures. Northern Alaska is in the Arctic region. It is very cold. Lakes and rivers often freeze. This is why most people live in southern Alaska. It is warmer here. Their crops grow well. Animals. Alaska has lots of animals. You may see a walrus or polar bear in one region. You may see a black bear or a brown bear in another. Walruses live in waters off the coast of Alaska. Daylight and darkness. The seasons are special here. In summer, people like the mild temperate weather. Lively people also enjoy the sunlight. This is because the sun does not set for many days. In one village, the sun does not set for more than 80 days. You see the sun shining when you go to bed. In winter, the sun does not rise in some parts of Alaska. These places have 60 days of darkness. You could play soccer after school in the dark. You might think this is eerie. Alaskans do not think this is weird. They are used to dark winters and they're also used to sunny summers. Alaska is a great place. And that was the expository text, Alaska, a special place.